The journey we're on is not a sprint, it's a marathon.
Collaboration is the silver bullet. We have to continue to reimagine the way we respond to the worst conditions of our communities.
There's increased pressure on companies in the private sector to address some of the issues they see in society.
We know that as a result of the lack of funding that has been given towards gun violence prevention in the last many decades, there are major knowledge gaps when it comes to us understanding what works and what doesn't when it comes to solving this public health crisis of gun violence prevention.
This is, as we said earlier, this is not a problem that any one institution, any one discipline can effectively address.
For every Sandy Hook, there are too many street corners. For every parkland, there's a liquor store, a park, a church, or synagogue, a bedroom. And when the sirens fade away, they leave behind families ripped apart and communities traumatized.
Treating this as a public health problem and working together as neighbors, I think we can make a difference.
The data and science is so critical, but the data and science doesn't change the hearts and minds of people. And so really understanding how we communicate that to our communities, to our policymakers is so critical.
America needs to know and understand the facts that gun violence is preventable. And we as advocates need to continue to share that message, no matter how hard it is at times.
Because of our efforts and because of what we will continue to do going forward, we will make change. It will get better.